Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the Palm model with DR Horton. This is their new community just off Highway 87 in Navarre. It is Enclave. It is a community of townhomes. So they are expected to be completed in July, but a lot of them are already built and people are already living here. So you've got so many amenities so close. We're 6 minutes from Navarre Beach. St. Michael's Brewery is just across the road. There's a CrossFit gym right behind me. So very centrally located within the community. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1-car garage unit spanning just at 1,450 square feet. Coming inside, you do have nice high ceilings with recessed lighting, LVP on the bottom floor. And so this would be if you were coming in through the front door. This would be the 1-car garage. This is the model home, so obviously being used as an office. But as you can see, the access is just right when you walk in. Coming inside to the main living area, you do have an open living area with the kitchen. Some of the cabinetry goes to the ceiling. You have a nice island with a breakfast bar, quartz countertops, built-in microwave, a single sink. And this looks to be a pantry here. So you do have a pantry for extra storage, cabinetry above the fridge. And let me back out here so you can see a little bit more of the kitchen. Okay, and then just across the way is the living area. You do have access to a small patio just out back. So you can see the size of the slab right through there. And then here is your dining area. There is a HOA in this neighborhood, so it's about $1,200 a year, but that does include your water and sewer bill. So if you think about it, that's really, you're basically paying for your water and sewer because it's gonna be that much anyways. So no amenities, but really the only thing you would need after that is your power and your internet. And short-term rental is allowed in this community, so you do have the possibility of that when you move out. Okay. So coming upstairs, everything is carpeted. You do have the primary bedroom to the right, and you do have a couple storage closets. So here is one. You've got the wire shelving, but a lot of it. A small dainty one here. This would be perfect for any cleaning supplies. And here we are in the primary bedroom. There's a king-size bed in here and there is plenty of room. Got a ceiling fan, bright double window. Nice walk-in closet equipped with wired shelving. They've got some furniture in here so you can see just how spacious it is. And here is the ensuite bathroom. You see those pretty quartz countertops again. Double vanity, bright vanity lighting. And then you do have a a standing shower that is not tiled. And then you do have some wire shelving to the left of the shower for some added storage. So you can see the primary bedroom is split from the other bedrooms, but all bedrooms are upstairs. So here are the other two situated with the bathroom just in between. You've got a tub shower combo in here. Bright vanity lighting and a single vanity with quartz countertops. You do have LVP in the bathrooms because, of course, no carpet in the bathrooms, please. All right, and then bedroom number 2. This one is not staged, but you can get a feel for the size. You do have a closet through the double doors there. And no ceiling fan in here, just the singular recessed lighting. And here is the third and final bedroom. Very similar to the room we just looked at. You've got the one single window, closet through the double doors there, and your singular recessed lighting. All right, so upstairs is all carpet except for the bathrooms. Bathrooms do have LVP. All bedrooms are upstairs. The primary bedroom does have an ensuite bathroom with a standing shower. The other bathroom has a tub shower combo, so you do have the best of both worlds, having a tub and a shower. And I did want to show you guys this half bathroom that we did miss on the way in. So you've got the single vanity here. And of course, the commode just across the way. All right, guys, this is the Palm model with DR Horton. This unit is specifically located at the Enclave Townhomes on Highway 87 in Navarre, Florida. They are still selling, so these units are available.